Hello everybody, this is me again, Antonio, with another review video. And in this review video, I'm going to be doing a video about the STM iPad case. It is the Deluxe option, and it is a rugged case for the iPad Air 2. Now I know the iPad is not a brand new iPad. The Air 2 came out years ago. That's my current setup. That's my current iPad. So that's actually what I'm currently using as we speak. Now I have to change my case on mine because it's a little damaged, like in the edges. It's starting to peel off and things like that. But I mean, the case, I bought the iPad used probably about 4 years ago, and the case came with the iPad, so I'm assuming it wasn't a brand new case. So I have used it for like 4 years, so it's actually has served me very well. And that particular iPad, I use it I pretty much use it every single day for a little bit, especially in the mornings. But then multiple times a week, I use it for at least a few hours at a time. So it's definitely getting the usage, the average usage. Now this case. Again, like I said, it is the STM Deluxe rugged case for iPad Air 2. It is the drop test pass, 26 drops from 4 feet. And again, like I said, it is for the iPad Air 2. That's the current iPad that I have. If you flip it around, a little more information. And I will go over some features that this definitely comes with. But partially, you can see here, instant on and off. That's pretty much when you close it, it turns off, or it turns back on when you open it. It's impact resistant, transparent back, and I'll show you guys that also. It has the magnetic closing and the ports for the buttons, a port access. I will definitely throw in the description box. I'll throw a link for this. You can purchase it. You can purchase it on eBay. That's where I purchased mine. It is an affiliate link, basically. So I made a little bit of commission if you guys get that iPad with a link that I'm going to post. A little more information, branding. The color of this case is black, even though you're going to see that it has some gray in it. Let's go ahead and open this. This is how it comes when you get it. This is slim protection, rubberized bracket, and polycarbonate backing for peace of mind from inadvertent drops. Patent magnetic closure. I'll show you guys that. It has the magnetic flap. And the same thing with the instant on and off. Multiple viewing modes, and that's basically because the way the case is designed, you can actually set it up like a stand also. Designed in Australia. Let's go ahead and this is basically how it comes. This is this particular one that I got. You guys are gonna notice that it doesn't have any clear, it comes with a clear film. You just peel that off when you open it. This particular one was an open box, so it looks like it was a customer return. But for the price, I mean, I decided to just go ahead and buy it. Again, some a little more branding. Now, this is, as you can see, clear plastic. It has the little hooks here for the stand. See here. Then here has the cutout for the camera. Now here has the speaker cutout for the charger. Up here has the power button cutout. And then if you want to plug like a microphone, or if you want to plug like a headphones, 3.5 millimeter jack to listen to music. Now if you open it, this is basically the magnetic flap. It has a magnet here, as you can see. So you can hear that. And that's basically locking itself here with this magnet that it comes here. Now this is basically what it looks inside. Comes with this foaming or this padding So comes with a clear shell. I personally like it. The issues that I normally find with cases is that a lot of the cases that are magnetic, they just attach like that to the iPads, but they do not come with this flap to even secure it even more. So let me go ahead and put the iPad in here so you guys can see. So it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just pop it in place, clip it again, and clip it again. Again, it's very secure. See, it closes itself. It's not going anywhere. Open it. See how it opens up. And kind of see how that works. But basically that will turn it off. And then you just open it again. So let's actually do something here. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Okay. Turns back on. So all in all, it's a great case. I will highly recommend this case. Like I said, the biggest issue I had is that whenever I was looking for a case, none of them had this flap here to keep it secure. But all in all, I'm happy with the case. It has served me well. It has worked well. So again, highly recommend it. Go check out in the description box, check out my link. I will post a link there so you can buy it directly and buy a great case. Highly recommend it. Works out great for me, and go check it out. Anyways, that was the unboxing and the review for the STM Docs case for the iPad Air 2. Hopefully you enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with friends if you know they have the same iPad. Take care and have a good day.